Hi friends, Hot Mess Coco here on What's Cooking Coco. So today we're going to make classic, okay? I have some bananas that look like are going out and I don't want to throw them away. So we're going to make banana bread, but we're going to make banana bread bites in my Instant Pot and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so all we're going to need is we're going to take our really ripe brown bananas, okay? The browner, the better because they're sweeter, so. Yep, and we're just gonna smash it, okay? Smash it up. Grab another bowl, and to that we're just gonna add 1 stick of soft butter, okay? Unsalted butter. Right there, 1 cup of brown sugar, okay? We're gonna add that to the butter mixture, just like that. We're just gonna go ahead and cream it all together. Now that we've got it nicely creamed, just like that, what we're gonna do is add some vanilla extract, okay? Let's go ahead and say we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add my little friend, my secret ingredient, my vanilla bean paste. Add a little bit of cinnamon because I like cinnamon, so I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon to that, okay? Then we're gonna need 2 eggs, okay? We're gonna crack those babies right into that same bowl. And make sure that everything is room temperature. That's how we want it, okay? We're just gonna mix. So now that we've already creamed everything together, we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar egg mixture to our mashed bananas, okay? Just like that. Now we're just going to mix just like that. And then to our other bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, just like that. And I have a little sifter here because I like to sift out my stuff. And then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda, okay? And then our pinch of salt, okay? Sift it all out so we don't have lumpy flour. And we're just gonna go ahead and incorporate our wet into our dry ingredient. And we're just gonna start folding it. Do not overmix it, okay? Okay, so now we're done with our mixture and it looks just like that, okay? Nice and runny, yummy. And then I have these molds, okay? We're gonna need some of these molds. You can find these on Amazon as well. I'll drop a link in there. And we're just gonna spray it, okay? Because we don't want anything sticking and we're just gonna take some cooking spray and spray our molds just like that. Okay? Take our mixture and we're just gonna ladle our mixture into each one of those molds until we fill it, okay? Don't fill it all the way to the top because it will expand, okay? Okay, now that we've got our 2 molds filled, we're just gonna do a tap tap, okay? Just to level everything out. And then we're gonna use some good old foil, okay? Just grab some foil and we're gonna cover them. Just like that. And cover them all the way around, okay? So once we're done covering them in foil, you're gonna have to put a cup of water at the bottom of your Instant Pot, and then you're gonna need to have like a little, let me show you. You're gonna have to have like one of these, okay, on the bottom. Okay, so then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and place that in there, just like that. Okay, we're gonna place our banana bread bites in there, and you should be able to get both of them. Yep, perfect, just like that. And then we're gonna take our top and put our top on, all right? And we're just gonna go ahead and hit pressure cook, okay? And we're gonna do this for 14 minutes. That's literally all that it's gonna take. It's 14 minutes to get these babies cooked. Set it, let it go, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so about 14 minutes and we are looking good. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. We're just gonna go ahead and pop them out. They're a little warm. Oh my gosh, look at how cute, guys. Look at how cute those are. Ah! And while I was waiting, I wanted to make a really quick cream cheese frosting. So easy peasy. And she's done, guys. Look at how beautiful. Those are so cute. guys look? How cute. Oh my gosh. All right, let's taste it. I mean, who would have thought you could bake a little banana, a little bread bite in the Instant Pot? Look at that. And it's still hot, still steaming. I'm gonna taste it without the cream cheese frosting, okay? Oh, wow. These are dangerous. Dangerously good, okay? Now I'm going in with the cream cheese frosting. Oh my gosh. You have to do it with a cream cheese frosting. So good. Wow, guys. That was a success. Good, okay? I hope you guys try this at home. Little banana bread bites in the Instant Pot. So easy, so fast, and so good. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me again this week on What's Cooking Coco. I hope that you guys make these, and if you do, tell me how it goes, okay? Like, subscribe, and share. Okay, until we see you again next time. Bye.